Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I make my breakfast with one pan, or in this case, well, one skillet. We are going to cook a piece of sausage or hot dog, an omelette using these ingredients: eggs, cheese. Well, I put two kinds of cheese in there. One, the normal pasteurized cheese that you find in the grocery, and Parmesan cheese, butter. I have milk. I have pizza seasoning, or any seasoning that you are seasoning, or maybe herbs that you want to put in your omelet. That would do. And I'm gonna cook fried rice. I am not using any tripod again, so I'll come back after cutting this into smaller pieces. As you can see, my oil is heating up. I just put a little bit of oil because later I'm gonna add butter and use it for the omelet and the fried rice. But for now, I am getting my sausage or my hot dog and putting it there in the pan. If you're wondering why there's only one piece of hot dog, it's because I'm alone today. So I'm basically cooking for one person. Okay, done with the hot dog or the sausage, and now on to my omelet. So just like what I said a while ago, I am going to add, and I'm using one hand, so sorry. I'm gonna add a little bit of this. You can put basil if you want, but since I don't have it now, I'll just put that onto the cheese. You can use any cheese you like. I'm also gonna put a little bit of milk because that will make it fluffy. Just a little, just like that. And I cannot crack the eggs with one hand. I'm not that chef, so I'm gonna come back. Here we go. So I added a little bit of butter onto the skillet with the oil that we used a while ago. And here's the eggs. I also added a little bit of salt to that and mix it all. Put it all in. And this is not you might say that's not how you do it. It's fine, but this is how I do it. And I'm gonna mix it up like so. Just do like that. So I cannot do this again with one hand, so I'll come back when this one is cooked. Now I have eggs and sausages or hot dog. Time to fry my rice. I again put a little bit of butter, and you can put garlic. That's actually how you're supposed to do garlic fried rice or fried rice, but I'm too lazy, so I'm just gonna put this again. And I'm gonna toast it just a little bit so the flavors will come out. And we're gonna put the rice in like so. Alright. So I'm gonna come back again and show you how I'm gonna do it. It's important that you keep mixing and you sort of flatten it like this so it will separate, and you will have all that flavor in each rice. And there you have it, my fried rice, sausages or hot dog, and eggs all in one pan. I don't see anything wrong with cooking with just one pan. I mean, You're gonna fry them all anyway.